The next function of Outlook is search folders. So if I go to the folder tab and click on new search folder, now the main function of search folder is you can categorize a criteria to separate emails of a specific type. For example, if you want to see unread emails under a separate search folder, you can do that easily. Now search folder is only for searching. Emails will be in the inbox, but it will show because of a searching criteria separately, like a filter in Excel. You can separate mail from and to specific people, mail from a specific people's, mail sent directly to me, large emails, old emails, mails with attachments, and you can also create custom search folder if you want to. So basically it divides the email in the search folder according to a certain keyword. So let's try with unread emails. If I click on this and search mail is, I've configured this one. So if I click OK, these are my unread emails. 4 emails are there. So it's showing it in the search folder separately. Now similarly, if I go back to the search folder and if I click on important emails, show all the important emails that is marked as important separately. So if I click OK, there are no emails that is marked as important because this is not my main email ID that I regularly use. So that's why it doesn't have much emails in there. So basically the important emails are which is marked as important in exclamation mark. Similarly, let's try some other things like large emails. So these are large emails. If you want to customize it afterwards, you can also customize it. For example, if I want to change the larger than size to 500 KB. So let's select this and click on customize search folder and change the criteria and change it to 500 and then click OK. But for now, we will leave it as it is. Now let's go back again. And there is a very important filter, mail with specific words. If you want to separate the email with specific words, you can do that as well. Now, for example, right now I have very little emails, but if I want to separate it with Google, so I'll go to new search folder and mails with specific words. I'll mention the word Google here, choose and specify words or phrase to search for in the subject or body. So I'll write Google here. So it will search for it both in the body and the subject of the email. Click on add, click OK and click OK. Containing Google. So all of these, you can see that even QuickBooks download link contains Google security alert, and this is the couple of emails that we have received. So you can try your own filters. It's very useful, and that's the main purpose of Outlook actually. That's why the people use Outlook in companies to manage their emails better. Now similarly, you can create a custom search folder as well. I'll click on new search folder and click on custom search folder. Let's test this. To specify criteria, click choose. So I'll click choose. Now let's click on criteria. Now for example, if I write certificates, and you can define it that it should be in the subject field only, the subject and message body, and or frequently used text field. So right now I have very little email, so I'll stick with this one. Now let's click OK. Now you have to give some name here as well. So let's write certificates. And click OK and click OK. Now let's see. So it separated all the emails with the name or body certificates. So that is the main purpose of search folder, and it is a very powerful tool to manage your emails better.